Good morning, students. As you know, we are discussing about simple machines which help us to do our work faster and easier. In this regard, now we are going to discuss about wheel and axle. You all must have seen the wheel and axle in different ways. Maybe the steering wheel of your car, your bicycle wheel, a sewing machine or an egg beater or a doorknob, which is very common. So in this way they are all wheel and axle. You may have not thought in this way, isn't it? A doorknob, a machine, a wheel, that also wheel and axle. Yes, children. If you go after this, watching this video, if you go out and just look at your doorknob, which is round, which is wheel, and there is a rod inside it which help you to open and close your door. So it is a very simple machine and it is a wheel axle. Again, your bicycle wheel, it is a simple machine and it is wheel and axle, isn't it? Your bicycle wheel, you must have seen in this way. This is wheel and this is the inside. There in the middle there is a nut with the screw, and the nut is tied and there is a rod inside it. If you open it and see it, which is inside it, and that is the wheel and the rod inside it. This is your bicycle wheel. Children, wheel and axle, they function that a wheel with a rod, that is important. Wheel and axle. Now axle is actually the rod. Okay, so only wheel will not move. Wheel is a round thing which you move. Maybe when you are small, you are playing as if you are a driver and driving a car with a wheel. So wheel you all know, but where in the wheel there is a rod attached to it, it is known as wheel and axle arrangement. That is important. Wheel and axle, then only it becomes a machine. Like doorknob. If you see the doorknob, it is circular, but that is the wheel, and inside that there is a rod, means that is functioning, that is moving. So when a wheel with a rod attached to it is known as wheel and axle arrangement. The rod is actually the axle, A-X-L-E, axle. Okay, the rod is axle. Like doorknob, you have wheel and a rod inside it. Steering wheel of any vehicles, all the cars, trucks, buses, they all have wheels. Even your aeroplanes and trains, they also have the steering wheel, which wheel and that inside in the middle, which is helping it to move, and it is important that it is functioning. That is called a shaft. A shaft, S-H-A-F-T. Okay. Even your bicycle wheel, which I just showed you, wheel and axle. Sewing machine. You must have seen a sewing machine which moves in, that is in a circular position, but inside it where you have the handle, that is the rod, that is your axle. Okay, your sewing machine picture is given in your textbook. You just have a look, this one. So this, when it functions wheel and axle, when wheel is there with a rod, and they help you to do the work faster or easier in this way. Sewing machine also, even egg beater. Okay, I'll just show you, children, wheel and axle. First you see the different types of machine already you have seen. This is your wheel and this is the rod inside, and with that only it helps to move. Okay, wheel and axle. As you can see it here very clearly. Very clearly you can see wheel and with a rod. This one actually helps this wheel to move. Then only it will move. Otherwise it cannot move. And then it helps you to do your work, like sewing machine. Only when you move this handle, then it starts moving and the stitching is done. Okay. So this is your wheel and axle. And children, with these type of small machines, the bigger machines function, and one of these is wheel and axle, which I just explained. The wheel with a rod, which is called an axle, that arrangement only helps you to function, like your bicycle wheel or your sewing machine, egg beater, or your steering wheel. They are your wheel and axle. In this way, the movement in a circular position, and this is the rod which will help you to function. Okay, children? I hope you have understood wheel and axle. Thank you, children.